My concept is to show students how they can calculate their grades according to the What If calculator on Learning Suite. First things first, we are going to come to a new window and we are going to type in the Learning Suite website in the URL tab. Once we get to the home page, we'll be able to see that we have a list of options to choose from as far as which class we would like to focus on. We are going to come to the CPSC 420 tab. Right underneath that, we're going to have this long blue bar that gives us an option of which area to go to for the class. We are going to click on Grades. Here on this page, we're going to be able to see a list of all the assignments throughout the semester, and we want to calculate our grades, so we're going to come to the left side, click on the What If Calculator tab. We will head to the bottom and make our best guess for the CPSC 420 final exam by typing in a score of 98 out of 100. We click outside the box and we will see that it will change our score from 100% to 98.1% for the entire semester.